Welcome back friends. As you saw in the last video, we have added functionality that allows a knight to move left and right using the keyboard. Right now Sir Pixlet is invincible. The rocks passes right through him like ghosts. We need to make them solid and dangerous. Let's go into our game loop. That is the app.ticker. We are already moving the rocks here. Now, inside this loop, we need to ask the question for every single rock. Is this rock touching the knight? I am going to type a function where we'll pass knight and a rock. This function doesn't exist yet. We are going to write it in a moment. But imagine it's a referee that shouts true if they crash. If they do crash, we need to stop everything. This line will freeze everything. To let the player know, we'll also add a alert. But the game doesn't know yet. Test rectangle means yet. We have to teach it. Let's scroll down to the bottom and write that function now. I'm creating a new function here. R1 is a knight, R2 is the rock. First, we'll calculate the hitbox, the dangerous area around the sprite. Usually math uses divided by 2, but I am using 2.5 to make the hitbox slightly smaller than the image. This makes the game more forgiving, so you don't die if a rock just barely touches the tip of your helmet feather. I'll do the same for the height. This defines each character personal space. Next, we'll calculate the distance is how far they are side to side and how far apart they are up and down. Finally, the verdict. We check, is the distance between them smaller than their combined width, and is the vertical distance smaller than their combined height? If the answer to both is yes, it means their personal bubbles have overlapped, which means they are colliding with each other. Our referee is ready. Let's save it and test. I'll move Sir Pixlet into the path of a rock, and bam, the game stops. And we get the game over alert. The danger is now real. We have danger, we have a hero, and we have enemies. In the next and final chapter, we will add a timer so you can actually win the game. Thank you.